Hi, welcome back to Anthony Creations. I'm Claire and welcome to the Organised Chaos. I thought I'd try a different angle. I hope you're all doing well. I haven't been doing so great. My Sojo's disappeared, but Rachel's just releasing a new pattern that I've had joy of pattern testing, and it's great. They're quick little sews, about an hour or so, and they are packing pods. They're called Bellena. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I've tried really hard, but they're for bags. So they're not for suitcases. They are to pack things in travel bags or bags. So your Teddy and Me backpack, the Xanadu travel bag, the mummy, the messenger bag, and it's 3 pods and a shoe bag. So the shoe bag is really good. It's got like foldable gussets, but not only is this a shoe bag, this would be really good folded up in your change bag, sitting at the bottom to put your dirty bibs and you change your clothes when you have a punami. So that would be really good, and you can throw it in the wash when you're done. I've used ripstop canvas in this one, and then this is a large. Now they're all supposed to have the mesh on them, but you know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't do something slightly different. So the big one, the large one, is done exactly as the pattern says, and with the mesh cover. I used PUL inside mine, so my smaller two I have done solid tops, so they are slightly more water resistant. I wouldn't say they're necessarily waterproof because I haven't sealed the seams and things, but they'll be, and it would leak through the zip, but they are slightly more water resistant. You've got a cute little small one and you've got a medium one. So I have done a video on every single one. They all follow the same. It's just this top bit. I quite like it. I've done it slightly different. I've done a slight hack for these ones, but they're all up and I'll link all the separate videos below so you can have a look and see which one you want to try. But there's so many uses for them. I mean, bibs, baby formula, I mean, stick your and change your clothes, nappies. There's so many uses, or just put them in your travel bag like they're designed to be. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy these, and they're great sews. They don't take a huge amount of fabric or supplies. It's literally cotton and G700 or SF101 or whatever they call it in America. So you can do they take very little supplies. They're quite easy to run up. So I hope you enjoy the videos. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot when people subscribe. I go, I got another subscriber. So hey, we all have our quirks. So yes, if you'd like to see how these are made, then please keep watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.